Alright. Hello Twitch, hello YouTube. Very good. Whatever time zone you guys are in. Let's see. I need to mute my own laptop as usual. Everything is looking fine. Yes. A new job offering at Raleigh-Durham. Kilo Romeo Delta Uniform. We're gonna do the 8 AM to 10 AM Nyerges schedule. So no messing around with custom schedules yet on this airport. We're gonna, yeah, of course, the people at this airport asked me to do a trial first, and then we can talk about the job offering. And that is what we shall do. Let's go for a trial over here. I have no clue where in the USA Raleigh-Durham is though. It's probably somewhere in the USA. And we're gonna do a 2-hour schedule over here. It looks very nice and interesting. 2 runways. We have opened runway 5 right for arrivals. And I did check FlightAware. That was the runway that is in use at this moment. So at this moment they are using 5 right for departures and arrivals. Now we can, for departures we can just hop around whenever we like. 5 left, 5 right. For arrivals it's 5 right only. Makasi, thank you. I think this is a very interesting airport, Makasi. After Tist or after Juliana. But we'll see how it goes. Good luck. Thank you very much. You too. May all your speeched, voiced commands be true. And may they all be understood by your pilots on your airports. That's the wishing for your session as well. And of course I wish the same for me. I hope I don't have to repeat myself too many times today. Alright, we are totally set. We have a little strip in the middle, in the bottom. The deep right is still at the bottom left. And we have the 3D view in the bottom right. What is else? Yeah, of course the deep right. I mean the ADAS, to my opinion, the most important part of this game. It is nice to have a 3D view, don't get me wrong, but for me that is not the main aspect of the game. So it is what it is. It is streamed in, for the nerds, 1440p. So if you like to see details and you have a big screen, go ahead. What else is there to say? Now, nothing more. Then I found out how to make custom camera points, Makasi. If you are not aware, with Control F4, Control F3, Control F5, you can make custom camera points. So F3 is now where my virtual tower is. F4 is here on the arrival, that is 5 left. No, F4 is 5 right. Checking for... I stand corrected. This is 5 left. This is 5 left with F4. F5 is 5 right, looking outwards for the arrivals. So we have... it's absolutely very nice, Makasi, that you can now also add custom camera points. CK, hello, you are on time. I mean, yes. British Airways is on time. Hello, CK. Yeah, how long does it take to fly from here to Brighton? That is a good question. Also depends on the airplane, of course. And does Brighton have anywhere to land? That's also a good question. Brighton Airport, I bet they have something. Alright, so we have set up a virtual tower over here, and look at this. This is a beautiful view. I can see both air runways. I can see the parkings over here. It's a lot of Southwests. That is beautiful. They have their own ring here probably, and on this side let's see what we have here. Uniteds. We have the mixed bag. Okay, Deltas, Americans. Gorgeous. We have a small one over here. And wow, we have a good amount of smaller airplanes over here. That's gonna be, maybe they're the static. We will find out later. We're gonna unpause the game and then just let's see how it goes. That's the only thing left to do. I found the custom views. Ah, how did you change? The strip. Let me pause the game. Yes. How do you change the strip? If you go in the... I'm not sure if it will capture this. I think it will. Let me try to explain it a bit easy. In your tower, airports, then the airport name, database folder, you can find... no, it's not there in database. It is in instruments. Yes. Tower, airports, airport name, instruments, default. There is a text file called striplook.csv. It's a notepad file which you can edit. You can then edit the strips to your liking. And a bit logical thinking. Background color. I changed everything from 210 to 10. So that means every strip has a black background color. Ah, there's Adnane. Now, look at this. Hey, Adnane. Cinco for departures, yes. Now, Adnane, you can get a good impression. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Now, yeah, well on time. We still have to start. I'm just explaining a little bit to Makazi. And then we shall go on with the stream and start it, actually. Jackson, hello. Thank you very much for joining the raid. And for the chats, Adnane, thank you for the raid. Lasagna PC, hello to you as well. Jackson, yes, ASR. Did I miss Hatsune Miku into... of course. I'll hang around for a few minutes. Yes, I understand. You were just trying to do your own thing after a stream. I can totally imagine you want to relax and do your stuff. In the top, you have the width for all the strips, Makazi. I put the one on 1%. If I put one width on 1%, that whole thing is, yeah, basically not existent. So you can change the background color, the header colors, the text colors, and the width of each column. If there's a column you don't like, you can just put the width on 1% and so that's how it works, Makazi. I hope that'll help. It should help. I bet you are good at logical thinking, so it should be no problem. So check that file. You can edit it with Notepad. You helped him out of problems, Jackson. That is good. That is good. Alright, unpause. Let's go for real. Welcome, by the way. This is KRDU Raleigh-Durham in the US. Thanks. I'll tinker around with that. Yes. Yes, and the good thing is you don't have to close the game to tinker around. Just restart the airport. Okay, we have an American 2687 for push and start. Let's see if his tow truck is already... Yeah, I think he's already on the tow truck. American 2687, pushback approved, facing west.
Pushback approved, facing west. American 2687.
Very good. Let's do that one more time for the people. We have a couple of Americans here for this session. Beautiful Delta over here. There are some Deltas here. United, Delta there, Frontier. Those are the big boys. And we have a couple of smaller guys. Oh, FedEx. Very small parcels, this. Interesting. Alright. And we will see what wants to depart and which airplanes do not want to depart. Is this like ATC simulator? Yes, Jackson, 100%. Our whole airport, it's ground. It's fully ground. And only, yeah, tower. You can only do final. You can only do stuff with airplanes on final, basically.
American 1115 with information kilo. Requesting push and start.
So it's basically tower / ground. Yes. Yes, we're not approach, we're not departure. Yes. Yes, tower and everything beneath. Including clearance. So clearance, ground and tower. Yes. Yes. Yes, there are some great
Raleigh-Durham,
ATC simulators as well.
Taxi.
American 2687. Taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1.
Taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1. American 2687.
American 1115. Pushback approved, facing east.
Pushback approved facing east. American 1115.
Right. 15 will push back. The other American, he will go to the runway. Well, you can play around with camera views as much as you like. This is a very nice camera view. Our departure camera view on 5 left. And you can position them anywhere in any direction. It's so that's basically that's how it is at 9. Of course, when you start a session, planes still have to spawn in, and the longer you play, the more planes will be active, and of course, because this is the start of the session. Before you know it, the ground is full with airplanes who want to go all over the place, and arrivals and departures. It's good fun. It's a good fun puzzle simulator, and you can make it as crazy as you want. You can make traffic slow. You can make, let's say, I only want 20% of traffic.
Raleigh ground. American 1115 ready to taxi.
And there are a lot of airports in the base game, and then you can buy more, of course, DLC. American. Yeah. American 1115. Taxi to runway 5 left via Tango 8, Foxtrot, Bravo 1.
Taxi to runway 5 left via Tango 8.
Yes.
Foxtrot.
Thank you,
Bravo
Adnane.
1. American 1115.
Enjoy your dinner, mate. And have a great evening. Yeah, yes. 100%
Raleigh
Adnane.
ground, Brickyard 4618 with information kilo. Requesting push and start.
Brickyard is on. I think we can push it facing north. It should be no problem. Brickyard 4618, pushback approved, facing north.
Pushback approved facing north. Brickyard 4618.
Okay. There's the brickyard. Yes. Perfect. First planes going out, and suddenly the traffic will increase, I assume. Yeah. It's slowly. You start with 0 planes active. You basically don't take over a shift where half the airport is already full. You start the session for like 2 hours or 3 hours or 1 hour, whatever you want, and you start clean. Yeah.
4762 with information kilo.
And more time passes. And you can make your own schedules for real-life traffic, for example, from FlightAware. It's very easy getting FlightAware real-life schedules in the game. Very easy. American 2687, runway 5 left, line up await.
Runway 5 left, line up and wait. American 2687.
That's yes, 100% Jackson. That's very cool. And then you get all the airplanes from that session you want. Let's say I want to do 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. on this airport. I'll just copy paste stuff from FlightAware, and basically it's that easy. It needs a bit more work, of course, but it's not that bad.
Raleigh ground, Brickyard 4618 ready to taxi.
Brickyard 4618, taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1. American 1115, hold position. Endeavour 4762, pushback approved, facing west.
Taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1. Brickyard 4618.
Hold position. American 1115.
Pushback approved facing west. Endeavour 4762.
Now I think I can read it. Yeah, 2687. That's good. American 2687. Runway 5 left. Clear for takeoff.
Runway 5 left. Clear for takeoff. American 2687.
American 1115. Continue taxi.
Continue taxi. American 1115.
Okay, you are in the air. You can go to the another place on my strips.
Raleigh ground. Endeavour 4717 with information kilo. Requesting push
Brickyard
and start.
4618. Runway 5 left. Line up and wait.
Runway 5 left, line up and wait. Brickyard 4618.
Endeavour 4717. Pushback approved. Facing east.
Pushback approved facing east. Endeavour 4717.
Let's see. Yeah, we can zoom in a little bit. Good. Right. American is in the air. You can go to departure very soon. You are lining up. You are departing. Endeavour is still pushing
LA
back.
ground. Endeavour
there you
4762
are.
ready to taxi.
Endeavour 4762. Taxi to runway 5 left via Foxtrot, Bravo 1. Good.
Taxi to runway 5 left via Foxtrot, Bravo 1. Endeavour 4762.
Yeah. Yes, Atlanta. Well, not in the base game. You get New York LaGuardia, for
Southwest
example,
5368 with information kilo. Requesting push and start.
where you can absolutely Atlanta and JFK. Yeah, those are payware. Yes, Chicago. I'm not sure about Chicago. Yes, Court. Isn't that Court? Maybe. American 2687. Contact departure. Good day. I don't know the
Departure on 132.35. American 2687.
3.35. Yeah,
Good morning.
I can't remember that one
Raleigh
yet.
ground. Endeavour 4717 ready to taxi.
Endeavour 4717. Taxi to runway 5 left via Foxtrot, Bravo 1.
Taxi to runway
Brickyard
5 left.
4618.
via
Runway
Foxtrot,
5 left. Clear
Bravo
for takeoff.
1. Endeavour 4717.
Runway 5 left, cleared for takeoff. Brickyard 4618.
Perfect.
Raleigh ground. JetBlue 1933 with information kilo. Requesting push and start.
Yes, but not now. I have an Endeavour on your way. And the Southwest wants to do something as well. Southwest 5368. Pushback approved. Facing west.
Pushback approved facing west. Southwest 5368.
Do you have to manage approaching aircraft as well? Only
Raleigh
clear them.
ground. Delta 1585 with information kilo. Requesting push and start.
Only clear for land. You get control over them when they are on final. Yeah, when their final starts, they are yours. American 1115, runway 5 left, line up await.
Runway 5 left. Line up and wait.
Delta 1585,
American
pushback
1115.
approved, facing west.
Pushback approved facing west.
Endeavour
Delta
4717,
1585.
hold short, and taxiway Tango 4.
Halt short of taxiway Tango 4, Endeavour 4717.
JetBlue 1933, pushback approved, facing north.
Pushback approved facing north. JetBlue 1933.
Delta is pushing.
Ballet ground.
Yes,
Southwest 4738 with information kilo. Requesting push and start.
On the other wing, it's getting a bit crowdy as well now. Yeah, it's still okay, it's still okay. Brickyard 4618, contact departure. Go.
Departure on
American 1115, runway 5 left, clear for
4618.
takeoff.
Good morning.
Hello? American 1115, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff. Endeavour 4762, runway 5 left, line up and wait.
Runway 5 left. Cleared for takeoff. American 1115.
Southwest 5368. Taxi to runway 5 right via Alpha 1.
Runway 5 left, line up and wait. Endeavour 4762.
Taxi to runway 5 right via Alpha 1. Southwest 5368.
American 850, runway 5 right, clear to land. Yeah, it's
Runway 5
starting,
right, cleared to land.
Delta
American
1585.
850.
Taxi to runway 5 left via Foxtrot Bravo 1. Delta 1585. Taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1. Top. Endeavour 4717. Continue taxi. Southwest 4738. Pushback approved. Facing west.
Taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1, Delta 1585.
That should all
Continue
be
taxi.
no problem.
Endeavour 4717.
JetBlue 1933. Taxi to runway 5 left via Foxtrot Bravo 1. Top. American 1115, contact departure.
Pushback approved facing west. Southwest 4738.
Taxi to runway 5 left via Foxtrot Bravo 1. JetBlue 1933.
Endeavour 4762, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff.
Departure on 132.35. American 1115. Good morning.
Runway 5 left, cleared for takeoff. Endeavour 4762. Raleigh Tower, American 850 on final 5 right.
850.
Raleigh ground. Southwest
I think I already
5368 ready
cleared
to
you,
taxi.
didn't I? I did clear you, sir.
Raleigh ground, Delta 1585 ready to taxi.
Raleigh ground. JetBlue 1933 ready to taxi.
Raleigh Tower, Delta 1125 on final 5 right.
Yes. Well, you have to wait, sir. We have an American incoming in front of you. Where is our airport? Yes, our arrival view is over here. Good, so we can see the American do his thing. Top. Delta 1585, runway 5 left, line up and wait.
Runway 5 left, line up and wait. Delta 1585.
Ballet ground. Southwest 4738 ready to taxi.
Speech to text seems to work pretty well. It's not too bad, Jackson. No, you gotta train Windows speech recognition for half an hour, but it actually works quite well, even with my Dutch accent. Thistledroid, oh, not seen you do this before, mate. No, it is my latest purchase on Steam, actually. We are now controlling an airport in the USA. Kilo Romeo Delta uniform. Endeavour 4762, contact departure. Well, you can go.
Departure on
Delta
132.35.
1585,
Endeavour
runway 5 left,
4762.
clear for takeoff.
Good morning.
Runway 5 left, cleared for takeoff. Delta 1585.
No, we were focused on the American. American is taking his sweet time. Then we can go back to our tower. Let's go back to tower view. And put us on, let's spot the Delta. There Good. Southwest 4738. Taxi to runway 5 right via Alpha. Alpha 1.
Taxi to runway 5 right via Alpha. Alpha 1. Southwest 4738.
Endeavour 4717. Runway 5 left. Line up and wait. So far
Runway
we're
5
going.
left. Line up and wait. Endeavour 4717.
There is the American. Very good. Landing 5 right. Beautiful. Yeah, Southwest 5368, you have to wait. I should have put you on 5, maybe on the other runway for departure. Maybe. Delta 1585, contact departure. Have a nice day.
Departure on 132.35.
Yeah, I
Delta
need to write down the
1585.
departure
848.
frequency for the next session. I agree. American 850.
Rally
Yes,
ground.
left
November
there.
469
That's
Bravo
good.
Lima with information kilo. Ready to start.
Somebody is ready to start. Oh, here in November. Horrible. Endeavour 4717, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff. And we surely meet.
Runway 5 left.
That's an
Cleared for takeoff.
Endeavour
Endeavour
4717.
4717.
American 850 has arrived. American 850. Taxi to terminal via Alpha, Delta, Foxtrot. Good. We need
Taxi
to
to
clear
terminal via Alpha.
Delta 1125,
Foxtrot,
runway 5
American
right, clear to
850.
land. Perfect.
Runway 5 right, cleared to land. Delta 1125.
And those two Southwest can go after the arrival. JetBlue 1933, runway 5 left, line up and wait.
Runway 5
understood.
left. Line up and wait. JetBlue 1933.
There's our Delta. Oh, you back on the pea soup. It never gets boring, Tissel. Yes, mate. Pea soup for life, eh? Ah, we missed a beautiful shot on the Delta. That does not matter. We can finally send the Southwests in the air. They shall be quite happy. They are waiting here for quite a while already. JetBlue is lining up. Delta is, yeah, we want to have a little bit of separation. No, you're on arrival. Alright. Southwest 5368, runway 5 right, line up and wait. There you go.
Runway 5 right. Line up and wait. Southwest 5368.
JetBlue 1933, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff. Endeavour 4717, contact departure. Go.
Runway 5 left. Cleared for takeoff. JetBlue 1933.
Departure on 132.35. Endeavour 4717.
Mr. 1125, where do you want to go to? You want to go to... Oh, that's a long journey. That is doable at the moment. Delta 1125, taxi to terminal via Delta Foxtrot Tango 1. Yes.
Taxi to terminal via Delta Foxtrot Tango 1.
We have
Delta
in November.
1125.
We have in November. Where shall we send him?
Rally ground. Delta
You are not
2056
important.
with information kilo. Requesting push and start.
November 469er BL. BL. Nice try, sir. November 469er Bravo Lima. Approved. Expect runway 5 right.
Approved. Expect runway 5 right. November 469 Bravo Lima.
Okay, we're getting a little bit hectic here. First you. Southwest 5368, runway 5 right, clear for takeoff. Alright.
Runway 5 right. Cleared for takeoff. Southwest 5368.
5368, yes. The JetBlue is in the air, yes. The Delta 1. 125 is on the ground. Yes, the 850 has already arrived to where he wants to go. Perfect.
Raleigh ground. Frontier flight 5590 with information kilo. Requesting push and start.
Wait a second. Not all at once, please. JetBlue 1933, contact departure. No, contact departure.
Departure on 132.35. JetBlue 1933.
Southwest 4738,
Good morning.
runway 5 right. Line up and wait. I think we can push him in.
Runway 5 right. Line up and wait. Southwest 4738.
Before the
Raleigh Tower.
JetBlue.
JetBlue 2283 on final 5 right.
Yeah, you're on final. We have still one departure over there. That's no problem. You are taxiing Frontier flight 559er. Pushback approved, facing west.
Pushback approved facing west.
There he is.
Frontier flight 559er.
Alright, Delta 11.
Raleigh ground. November 469 Bravo Lima ready to taxi.
25. Ah, shit. Of course. That's gonna be a problem. Delta 1125, hold short of taxiway Tango 3. Yes.
Hold short of taxiway Tango 3, Delta 1125.
He is in front of your... yeah. And then we can push him back. It's gonna work out, guys. It's gonna work out. Southwest 5368, contact departure. Go. Top.
Departure on 132.35. Southwest 5368.
Southwest 4738, runway 5 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 5 right. Cleared for takeoff. Southwest 4738.
Alright, let's pause again. Mr. Toby, hey! A very good evening. Slowly getting faster. Ah, good evening, he meant. Oh, I missed you. Is there any transport you don't do? Yeah, that's a good question. Yeah, it is. Simulator games are most worth the money, isn't it? To my opinion, Tissel. Oh, wait. I gotta stop a download. Oh, I'm downloading. Oh no. Ah, Steam does it automatically. Thank goodness. Boats. Yeah, what is that one boat simulator? With the harbor of Rotterdam. It's an old game
Raleigh
though.
ground, United 1256 with information kilo. Requesting push and start.
Was quite good actually. November 469er Bravo Lima. Taxi to runway 5 right via Juliet, Delta, Alpha, Alpha 1.
Taxi to runway 5 right via Juliet. Delta, Alpha, Alpha,
All right.
1.
Good.
November 469 Bravo Lima.
Raleigh Tower, Delta 2523 on final 5 right.
Delta 2056, pushback approved, facing west. Frontier flight 559er, taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1. JetBlue 2283, runway 5 right, clear to land.
Pushback approved facing west. Delta 2056.
This is good.
Taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1. Frontier flight 559er.
Runway 5 right. Clear to land. JetBlue 2283.
Raleigh ground. Frontier flight 559 ready to taxi.
Good. Make it happen. We are on the schedule here. The question is, yeah, facing west, you should not crash into the Delta. This should be absolutely possible. What else are we doing here? Yeah, we have to arrive the JetBlue. Then we're working here on the north wing. You can go in the south wing. And Southwest 4738, contact departure. You can go off my stretch.
Departure on 132.35. Southwest 4738. Good morning.
Oh, Wreckfest. Oof. Ooh, those can be fun, Tissel. Wow, that's long ago. That is actually, yes. Yes. I don't know what the maximum lobby count is, but I bet Toby and myself and maybe Dark and 125, I think a lot of people would be interested in having a little bit of fun with Wreckfest. Good evening, Peugeot. This is a different airport, which I think will be a bit more...
Delta 2056
Confirmed.
ready to taxi.
It absolutely is. Frontier flight 559 on runway 5 left. Line up awaits. It's a bit more busy indeed. Delta 1125, continue taxi. No, I can't read your tech.
Runway 5 left, line up and wait. Frontier flight 559er.
Oh, it is 1125.
Continue taxi.
Good.
Delta 1125.
Then Delta 2056, continue taxi. JetBlue is clear to land.
Continue taxi. Delta 2056.
The other. Yes, that's the JetBlue incoming. And then we immediately have to clear Delta once he left the runway. Delta 2056, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Delta 2056.
Don't know what he is doing though. We gotta go back to the tower. What the hell are you doing at 2056? Your AI is broken?
Raleigh ground. November 472 Delta Sierra with information Kilo. Ready to start.
What the hell are you trying to do, 2056? You are a departure. Delta 2056. Taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1. Let's respark his memories. There we
Taxi
go.
to runway 5 left via Bravo 1.
Delta 2523, runway 5 right. Clear to land. Delta 2523, exit at taxiway Charlie. Good.
Runway 5 right. Clear to land. Delta 2523.
JetBlue 2283, taxi to terminal via Alpha Delta Foxtrot.
Exit at taxiway Charlie. Delta 2523.
Taxi to terminal via Alpha, Delta, Foxtrot, JetBlue 2283.
Yes, that should not be a problem. United 1256, pushback approved, facing west. Frontier flight 559er, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff. 59er, there you go.
Pushback approved facing west. United
JetBlue
1256.
is on the ground.
Runway 5 left, cleared for takeoff.
We have another
Frontier
November.
flight 559er.
November 472, Delta Sierra, approved, expect runway 5 right.
Approved expect runway 5 right. November 472 Delta Sierra.
This is all looking good. The 2523 is over there. Good, good, good. Frontier flight. He is taking off. My little November is getting close to the runway. There are no arrivals. Delta 2056, runway 5 left. Line up and wait.
Runway 5
you're
left.
trying to bankrupt
Line up
me.
and wait. Delta 2056.
I'll be cool. I see that Trace has Wreckfest now. I think I also... Yes. Yeah, we should give it a shot one day on when this all... yes. Yeah, Dark Lightning is...
Raleigh ground. United 1256 ready to taxi.
I think, Dark, you have Wreckfest though, don't you? Frontier flight 559er, contact departure. Delta 2523. I first want to know where you want to go.
Departure on
Oh, that's a long way.
132.35.
United
Frontier
1256,
flight 559er.
continue taxi.
Good morning.
Continue taxi.
United 1256, taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1.
Taxi to runway 5 left, via Bravo 1. United 1256.
MRA, no clue who
Raleigh
you are.
ground. November 472 Delta Sierra ready to taxi.
Martex. And we need to get you out ASAP now. Delta 2523, taxi to terminal via Charlie, Foxtrot, Tango 1. Oh, that's a horrible route.
Taxi to terminal via Charlie, Foxtrot.
November
Tango
469er,
Delta
Bravo
2523.
Lima. Runway 5. Too late. November 469er, Bravo Lima, runway 5 right, line up await. Good.
Runway
November
5 right, line up
472,
and wait.
Delta Sierra.
November 469
Taxi to
Bravo
runway
Lima.
5 right via Juliet 2, Alpha 1.
Taxi to runway 5 right, via Juliet 2, Alpha 1, November 472 Delta Sierra.
Good. Delta 2056, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 5 left, clear for takeoff. Delta
Go.
2056.
Alright, JetBlue is going in here, that is perfect. Delta is
Raleigh
really
ground.
moving
Martex
fast.
699er with information kilo, ready to start.
We have another departure. First the MRA. This guy has been waiting quite a while now. You're an arrival. You are an arrival? Okay, MRA. That is a Martex. Martex 699er pushback approved, facing west.
Negative. I don't need pushback truck, just approve. Martex 699er.
Oh, you're too rude. Martex 699er approved. Expect runway 5 left. What the hell are you then? United 1256 runway 5 left. Line up await. I want to know what the hell
Approved.
it is.
Expect runway 5 left. Martex 699er.
We need to find the
Runway
United.
5 left, line up and wait. United 1256.
Huh? You said you don't need a pushback, but how are you gonna solve this problem then? Oh, there you go.
Raleigh ground. Martex 699er ready to taxi.
Horrible, horrible. Delta 2056, contact departure. Yeah, that's really
Departure on
aspect, of course.
132.35. Delta 2056.
It's not
Good morning.
it's not perfect. That's all good. That's all good. November, yeah, you're not that important to my opinion. Let's get the United. United 1256, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff. Go.
Runway 5 left, cleared for takeoff. United 1256.
How is the Delta doing? Give me back my nice tower position. Thank you very much. Delta is doing fine. United is taking off. Over there, the Maxtex is going and do his things. The November is still. This one is still. Yeah, that's a long way for. Are you a small Cessna? A Cessna 152. And on the runway is another Cessna 152. Can't even see him. MRA, yeah. Delta, what's your plan? You want to do... Yes, that's no problem. Martex 699er, runway 5 left at Bravo 1.
Runway 5 left at Bravo 1. Martex 699er.
Yes, that should give you a taxi. You are taxiing. United just departed. I think separation between these runways is long enough. November 469er, Bravo Lima, runway 5 right, clear for takeoff.
Negative, unknown command. November 469 Bravo Lima.
November 469er, Bravo Lima, runway 5 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 5 right, clear for takeoff. November 469 Bravo Lima.
We were going to play it on Game Pass way back. Yeah, there was something dark. Well, maybe the old Wreckfest is maybe only €2 now on CD keys. Just a wild guess. Max Tax 699er. Martex 699er. Runway 5 left. Line up await. United 1256. Contact departure.
Runway 5 left. Line up and
how's
wait. Martex 699er.
How's our little friend doing?
Departure on 132.35.
Yeah.
United 1256. Good morning.
November 472 Delta Sierra. Runway 5 right. Line up await. Good.
Runway 5 right. Line up and wait. November 472 Delta Sierra.
Interesting. You are flying C-20F. Right, Delta is there. We have both runways lined up. I shall wait with the 5 left a little bit longer. And with 5 right the same. Don't bother with Wreckfest 2 just yet. I wonder what it'll cost on loaded.com. Wreckfest. Aye! What a bastards! €22? Jeez, that's not too. That's not. That's €20 above what I expected. Ay. They're trying to milk that game. Yeah, that's a lot of money for a Wreckfest. November 469er Bravo Lima. Contact departure.
Departure on 132.35. November 469
13235.
Bravo Lima. Good morning.
13235. I shall write it down. Because I only have one job. And 13235. 132.35. We got him. Top. Martex 699er, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 5 left. Cleared
November
for takeoff.
472 Delta Sierra, runway 5 right, clear for takeoff. Let's do a dual simultaneous.
Runway 5 right. Cleared for takeoff. November 472 Delta Sierra.
Good. And we will let departure figure this one out. Alright, both can go into the tabs. The Delta has arrived. Good. Wreckfest is on sale for me at $14.99. Is that a Steam sale? Because I just checked only on Loaded. That is on Steam, Mr. Toby. Yeah, that is for an hour or two of fun. It's Steam. It is not a bad game for just with a couple of friends having fun, and people who want to play it with a wheel can play it with a wheel, and people who want to play it with a keyboard or a controller, it does not matter for Wreckfest. That's absolutely glorious. I shall keep an eye out on Tisseldroid's stream when he is planning to do maybe a session of that. I wouldn't use a wheel. I understand why. But I think I'm gonna do. No, I understand, Mr. Toby. Yeah. It's probably one of those games best played with a controller. Martex 699er, contact departure. Martex 699er, contact departure. November 472 Delta Sierra, contact departure. Right.
Departure on 132.35, Martex 699er. Good morning.
Good morning.
Departure on 132.35, November 472 Delta Sierra. Good morning.
Alright. Yeah, it makes sense. In the morning, to have more departures than arrivals. At least, it does make sense. So at the moment, we are waiting for the next wave. Good evening, Spectre. Hello. Yeah, I don't think we have an airport in Berlin. Of course, you always make me think about the boss. Yeah, you'll get plenty of notice. It'll be a Friday or Saturday when I have my Thursday through Sunday rest days. Yes. Yes, it's a fun game to once a while indeed, Tissel. Yeah. No, I'm absolutely, if people can host a lobby for a lot of players, the more players, the more fun, eh? And everybody has a chance to win. That is the nice thing about Wreckfest. It's not about skill, it's about having fun and having luck. You can totally count me in. Yeah, Spectre, that made me indeed. Let's see. Tower Simulator, store page. Do we have an. If we have, is there a German one? What is Delta Hotel? Delta Hotel is Hamburg. Oh! Is this made by Halicon, maybe? Yeah, what a coincidence is that, eh? Yeah. I can see a run. I can see runway 227. Yep. 12 bus stops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is line 227. All right, we have Hamburg. Well, that is already a nice start. Let's see the deep right. We still have no arrivals. All right, we can keep checking. What is more in Germany? DV. You are Hanover. I don't think there's a Berlin. EGLL. That's in England. This is Frankfurt. EDDM München. EDDB. That could be a Berliner. Yes, that is an Berliner. Berlin Brandenburg Airport. EDDB is Berlin's main international airport located in Schönefeld. About 80 kilometers southeast of the city and serving carriers like EasyJet, Eurowings, Ryanair, Condor and Sundair. Yeah, that does not sound quite German. Oh yeah, Eurowings, of course. It replaced Tempelhof, Tegel and the old Schönefeld airports became the single commercial airport of a region around 6 million. Yeah, I believe you. Yeah, top. Cool, is that yeah, if it's a Halicon airport or TML, you can bet. Yeah, 100%. 100%. And what was I downloading? Oh yeah, Bellride. That looked interesting. I shall check that tomorrow morning. I heard very good things about Bellride. Yeah, but now exactly. It does have the magic word already in the title. CISO, hello, good evening. Are we doing a 2-hour session here, or are we just chatting? I think I activated the 2-hour session. I see a lot of happenings on the ground. This is just a very quiet moment, I think. Let's go to 6.
Raleigh ground.
Yeah.
Delta 1615 with information kilo. Requesting push and start.
There it goes. We have now, indeed, we have 2 hours of session. That is perfect. Ahoy! I watched a video on YouTube. There are like really crazy and beautiful airports for this game. Yeah. And you have 11 airports with the base game. Thank you, Makasi. Good night. Hope for you everything went well as well. That your voices were heard and understood. Thank you, Makasi. We absolutely shall. And see you next time on the Discord or Twitch. It's always nice to have you on board. Delta 156. Oh, hello. Delta 1615. Pushback approved. Facing west.
Pushback approved facing west. Delta 1615.
Alright. We have an airplane. Mr. Delta. Yeah. I mean, that New York one is also beautiful. I want to play Frankfurt one day. That's the airport from a very old train tower simulator from the same developers. What was the very old one called? Tower something. Maybe just Tower. Library Home. Tower. Tower 2011. Yes, that's one of the old. Yeah. Yeah, that was fully 2D. Just the 2D pictures from top. Yeah. I played Frankfurt in. That's very ancient now. That's 15 years ago. Wow. And then we got Tower 3D Pro, of course. Absolutely gorgeous. And now we have Tower 3. It is what it is. And it's not a bad improvement.
Raleigh ground. Delta 1615 ready to taxi.
No, not really. Well, there is a telemetry for the strips, but it reads a file. You cannot connect it to the game via an IP, so I can put something on my laptop. It's not like in the boss, for example, that you can connect with IP. You can connect. That strips telemetry works. It's reading a text file from the same PC. It's not the same. Yeah, that would. Wow, that would be cool. Well, but you can play co-op, Spectre. You can do an airport with 2 people. So that is, yeah. One does approach and one does the finals and the departures, and another guy does the whole ground. But it's not that we can do ground with 2 players. At least that was never the thing before. Maybe now we can. That would be totally cool, of course, when somebody can do the south wing and another guy can do the north wing. How cool would that be? But it used to be that in the previous one guy does ground and one guy does tower. That was the maximum. Delta 1615. Taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1.
Taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1. Delta 1615.
And I can say, yeah, co-op, and you can only do arrivals and depart. You can only say clear to land. And
Raleigh ground. March
contact
Tech
departure.
636 with information kilo. Ready to start.
But on big airports, when it's quite busy, that still is quite a relief for the guy who's doing ground. But tower, yeah, then you're a bit limited. But I don't know how it is in this game now. Maybe it all changed. That would be nice though, if they did. Another max tax. Yes, another Mar tax. But you are not my number one. Delta 1615, runway 5 left, line up and wait.
Runway 5 left, line up and wait. Delta 1615.
You shall be my number one for today.
Raleigh ground, Mountain 8503 with information kilo, requesting push and start.
Mountain 8503, where the hell are you spawning in? That's far to the east, sir. You have a long way to go. I will send you right now. I first have to clear you. Mountain 8503. Approved. Expect runway 5 left.
Negative. Need pushback truck. Mountain 8503.
Okay. Mountain 8503. Pushback approved. Facing west.
Pushback approved facing west. Mountain 8503.
What for airplane are you? An 84F. There's only one way to find out what the hell that is.
Raleigh ground, exec jet 786 with information kilo, requesting push and start.
Mountain? Looks like a FedEx to me. Maybe it's a local FedEx? That's interesting, but it's a beauty though. Send me back to my tower, thank you. Top. You are, yes, Delta 1615, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff. Max Mar Tex 636. Pushback approved, facing west. I'm gonna assume you have a pushbacker.
Runway 5 left.
Yes.
Cleared for takeoff. Delta 1615. Negative. I don't need pushback truck. Just approve. March Tech 636.
We have somebody who thinks who knows better. Martech 636. Approved. Expect runway 5 left. Exact jet 786. Pushback approved. Facing west. Not sure if you need a pushback, but...
Approved. Expect runway 5 left. March Tech 636.
Yeah, you're on pushback.
Pushback approved facing west, exec jet 786.
That's a relief.
Raleigh ground, Mountain 8503 ready for taxi.
Yeah. You're ready for
Raleigh
taxi?
ground, Martech 703 with information kilo, ready to start.
Mountain 8503. Taxi to runway 5 right via Kilo, Juliet, Charlie, Alpha.
Taxi to runway 5 right via Kilo, Juliet, Charlie, Alpha, Mountain 8503.
Good.
Raleigh ground. March Tech 636 ready to taxi.
Martex 636. Taxi to runway 5 left at Bravo 1.
Taxi to runway 5 left at Bravo 1. March Tech 636.
Delta 1615, contact departure.
Departure on 132.35. Delta 1615.
Decimal 35.
Good day.
Sorry about that one. Hey Carter, this was my favorite game with Schiphol Virago.
Raleigh ground, American
yeah, let's pause a
1906
little
with
bit there.
information kilo,
Virago.
requesting push and start.
On the new tower or the old... Yeah, no, the Schiphol was not in Tower 3, D3D. It is in Tower Simulator 3. It's in this game. You absolutely did Schiphol Virago. How are you now? Not too bad. And I must say, I'm quite enjoying this game. It's a good improvement over Tower 3D. It still has some bugs, but yeah, that is of course. Martex 636, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. March Tech 636.
Martex 636, runway 5 left, line up and wait. Schiphol sounds like a very...
Runway 5 left, line up and wait. March Tech 636.
I neck feel there for
Raleigh
years for
ground.
Schiphol.
ExecJet 786 ready
Yeah,
to
I
taxi.
bet. I'm still a little bit too afraid of Schiphol, Virago. We just completed a nice amount of sessions of TNMC, Juliana Airport, St. Martin, to get back into the rhythm and the game.
Raleigh ground. United 1987 with information Kilo. Requesting push and start.
Slowly making our way back up.
Raleigh Tower, Delta 2634 on final 5 right.
Okay, we have definitely incoming traffic. ExecJet 786, taxi to runway 5 right at Alpha 1.
Taxi to runway 5 right at
Yes.
Alpha 1. ExecJet
Yes.
786.
Yes. United 1987, pushback. Oh, he didn't listen. United 1987, pushback approved, facing west. American 1906, pushback approved, facing west. Martex 703, approved, expect runway 5 left. I'm gonna assume you don't need...
Pushback approved facing west. United 1987.
Martex 636, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff. Yeah.
Pushback approved facing west. American 1906.
Delta 2634, runway 5 right, clear to land.
Approved, expect runway 5 left. Martex 703.
Runway 5 left, cleared for takeoff. March Tech 636.
Let's take a look over here.
Runway 5 right, clear to land. Delta 2634.
Everything, yes, is
Raleigh
going smoothly.
ground. Martex 703 ready to taxi.
Perfect. You say you're ready to taxi, I don't believe you. I
Raleigh
totally do
ground.
not believe
March
you.
Tech 681 with information Kilo. Ready to start.
Martex 703, runway 5 left, line up and wait. Let's see if you are serious about
Negative.
moving.
Need approved first. Martex 703.
Raleigh Tower, Endeavour 4856 on final 5 right.
You said you were ready for
Raleigh
taxi.
ground. United 1987 ready to taxi.
Martex 703, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Martex 703.
Raleigh ground. American 1906 ready to taxi.
Mountain 8508, approved, expect runway 5 right. Do you need a pushback or not?
Negative, need pushback truck. Mountain 8508.
I shall be on my, yes. Mountain 8508, pushback approved, facing west.
Negative, need pushback truck. Mountain 8508.
I give you one more shot. Mountain 8508, pushback approved, facing west.
Pushback approved facing west.
Okay, that
Mountain
is tricky.
8508.
Sometimes you have to show them who's boss.
Raleigh ground. Mountain 8508 with information Kilo. Requesting push and start.
8508, I just gave you approval for a pushback. Martex 636, contact departure. Okay, you can go. We need
Departure
to
on
clear. We need to clean up.
132.35. March Tech 636.
Delta is incoming and we need to be fast. Delta 2634, exit at taxiway Alpha 5. I hope you can make it.
Exit at taxiway Alpha 5. Delta 2634.
Yes. There's not much separation here going on over there. Martex 703, continue taxi. United 1987. Taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1. American 1906, taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1. Right.
Containing taxi. Martex 703.
Taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1. United 1987.
Yeah.
Taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1. American 1906.
It's a very close.
Raleigh ground, Mountain 8508 ready to taxi.
Very
Raleigh
close.
Tower, Brickyard 5684 on final 5 right.
You have 3 arrivals. Yeah, you guys have to wait. I'm sorry. Meanwhile, Martex 703, runway 5 left, cleared for lineup. Nice try. Martex 003, runway 5 left, lineup and wait. Okay, can I blame my Dutch accent? Martex 703, runway 5 left, line up and wait. Thank you. Delta, you need to go
Runway
off.
5 left. Line up and wait. Martex 703.
Please make it snappy. Well, Endeavour has not been cleared, so it's still okay. But I would love to Endeavour is still quite a bit out. Two, 6, 3, 4 is... I will call this clear. Endeavour 4856, runway 5 right, clear to land. Delta 2634, taxi to terminal via Delta Foxtrot Tango 1. And move, please.
Runway
start
5
moving
right,
now.
clear to land. Endeavour 4856.
Yes,
Taxi
you
to
are.
terminal via Delta Foxtrot Tango 1 Delta 2634.
MRA. Martex 703, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff. Good. At least you
Runway
are.
5 left. Cleared for takeoff. Martex 703.
703, you must go. Alright. United 1987, runway 5 left, line up and wait. Mountain 8508, taxi to runway 5 right via Kilo Juliet Alpha 6 Alpha.
Runway 5 left. Line up and wait. United 1987.
Exec Jet 786, runway 5 right, line up and wait. You found your route? Yes,
Taxi
you
to
did.
runway 5 right, via Kilo, Juliet, Alpha, 6, Alpha, Mountain
Then we need to
8508.
clear Brickyard.
Runway 5 right. Line up and wait. Exec Jet 786.
786, you are lining up and waiting. Who said you to do? Brickyard 5684, go around.
Going round.
Somebody
Brickyard
cleared it.
5684.
Wasn't me. I think I did. Brickyard 5684, contact departure on 132.35. It is what it is. I will see you
Departure
back
on
soon.
132.35. Brickyard
Martex
5684.
703,
Good day.
contact departure on 132.35.
Departure on 132.25. Martex 703.
Exit
Good day.
786, runway 5 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 5 right. Cleared for takeoff.
Mountain
Exec Jet
8503,
786.
runway 5 right, line up and wait. Yeah, that was a little bit of a
Runway
mistake.
5 right. Line up and wait. Mountain 8503.
Endeavour 4856, taxi to terminal via Alpha, Delta, Tango 8.
Taxi to terminal via Alpha, Delta, Tango 8.
Now, thank you
Endeavour
for Brickyard
4856.
for going around. We have now an opening to set. At least we got rid of these two, which is already 786. You can go. This is working out. This is working out. You are going here. Mountain, you shall wait a little bit longer. United 1987, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 5 left, cleared for takeoff. United 1987.
4856.
Raleigh ground radio check. How do you read? March Tech 681.
Martech 681. Martech 681. Don't tell me you are here. Oh my god. Martech 681 approved. Expect runway 5 right.
Approved. Expect runway 5 right. March Tech 681.
I could also send him on 14 and no, we're gonna do the 5 right.
Raleigh Tower, United 1274 on final 5 right.
Little problem. Should have used another runway for that one. Mountain 8503, runway 5 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 5 right, clear for takeoff. Mountain 8503.
Oh, the stress. Exact jet 786, contact departure on 132.35. Go.
Departure on 132.35.
United
Exact jet
1987,
786.
contact departure
Good
on
day.
132.35. Go.
Departure on
American 1906,
132.35.
runway 5 left, line
United
up awaits.
1987. Good day.
Go.
Runway 5 left, line up and wait. American 1906.
Hey, Erica. It is, it's not a bad airport. No, it's absolutely great logic. Yes. It just needs people who are paying attention.
Raleigh ground. March Tech 681 ready to taxi.
Yeah. I understand you are ready to taxi. You have arrived. You are going. Delta 2634 is also. Let's see what I can do here. Can I assign him to another runway? Let's say 14 with a backtrack. Or 32. We shall take a 32. Why not? Let's try. Martex 681. Runway 32. Martex 681. Runway 32. At Zulu.
Command property error. March Tech 681.
Guys, game over. See,
Runway
already.
32 at Zulu.
Oh.
March Tech 681.
No. Okay, somebody else didn't understand me. Who was that? American 1906, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 5 left, cleared for takeoff. American
Yeah.
1906.
Mountain 8508, contact departure on 132.35.
Negative, I'm on the ground. Mountain 8508.
You on the ground?
Raleigh Tower. Gamma Jet 875 on final 5 right.
You are on the ground. Why are you on my on a different strip then? Somebody's messing around with my strips. It wasn't me. Let's see. Delta 2634 is an arrival. Yeah. United 1274, runway 5 right, clear to land. Go.
Runway 5 right, cleared to land.
Delta is already
United
gone.
1274.
Perfect. We have a mountain and we have the MRA. Martex 681, runway 32, line up and wait. Please tell me.
Runway 32. Line up and wait. March Tech 681.
Interesting. What the hell for airplane are you actually? An C-20F? Should be long enough. I would assume. American 1906, contact departure on 132.35.
Departure on 132.35. American 1906. Good day.
That's gone. The 05 8503. Did we forget who indeed? Mountain 8503, contact departure on 132.35. Go.
Departure on 132.35. Mountain 8503. Good day.
Yeah, I was afraid maybe this airplane cannot backtrack on to 14. So he's gotta climb like he never climbed before. Martex 681, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Runway 32, cleared for takeoff. March Tech 681.
That is gonna be interesting though, I hear. Okay, the United is on the ground. They shall not cross. Right, perfect timed. Perfectly timed. Good. It's totally working. But 1-4 we should absolutely try 1-4 next time. Good, we send out yes, you need to go. United 1274, taxi to terminal via Delta Foxtrot.
Taxi to terminal via Delta Foxtrot. United 1274.
What is a guy? Gamma Jet 875. Runway 5 right, clear to land. Mountain 8508, contact departure on 132.35.
Runway 5 right, clear to land. Gamma Jet 875. Negative, I'm on the ground. Mountain 8508.
8508, are you on the ground? Oh my god, I'm starting to miss things.
Raleigh-Durham.
Your
November 11
your
for Lima
strips on the
Tango with
whole wrong
information
place.
kilo. Ready to start.
Martex 681, contact departure on 132.35. Somebody's totally messing around with
Departure
my
on
Swift.
132.35. March Tech 681. Good
Alright,
day.
that one is gone. Good. You are cleared. You are taxiing. We have a November. November 114, Lima Tango. Approved. Expect runway 5 right. We could absolutely
Approved.
use...
Expect runway 5 right. November 11 for Lima Tango.
We could use 14 though, but that's not for this session. Yes, Gaia is incoming. United is already on the ground. You're going to the parking. Right. Could have ended in a disaster. Yeah. Of course, well done. Yes, maybe also a bit lucky. I thought they were about to collide. I need to learn the taxi code somehow. That handbook shows wrong commands. Really does it to you? You should have him sent a yes. Yes. Yeah, we can still maybe change it. November 114, Lima Tango, hold position.
Hold position. November 11 for Lima Tango.
Of course, he wants to cross the runway at Charlie. Then we will say to the Gaia, Gamma Air, Gamma Jet, exit at taxiway Alpha 6. No response. No response. Then we shall totally wait it out and then send them out. Yes. Mountain 8508, runway 5 right. Line up and wait.
Runway 5 right. Line up and wait. Mountain 8508.
United is in the box. We have the November. Yes, we have that Mountain 08 who's finally lining up. The guy is on the ground. A brickyard is incoming. Okay, okay. Let's see what the Gamma Air is gonna do. Maybe he's gonna take Alpha 4 and we can send him... Ah, you want to go in this box as well. Ah, that's interesting. That's interesting. November 114, Lima Tango. Runway 14 at Charlie. Let's first assign him to another runway.
Negative. Need approved first. November 11 for Lima Tango.
I was afraid of that. November 114, Lima Tango. Approved. Expect runway 14. Let's see if we can fix that with terminology.
Negative. I'm not at terminal. November 11 for Lima Tango.
November 114, Lima Tango. Taxi to runway 14 via Charlie. Is that the solution?
Negative. Need approved first. November 11 for Lima Tango.
Yes, next time. Next time 14 is yours.
Raleigh ground. American 19090 with information kilo. Requesting push and start.
November 114 Lima Tango. Taxi to runway 5 right via Alpha. Alpha 1.
Negative. Need approved first.
No, he's
November
totally lost.
11 for Lima Tango.
And you wanna go in there. Gamma Jet 875. Taxi to ramp via Alpha. Alpha 6. Let's fix your routing
Taxi to
first.
ramp
Yes.
via Alpha. Alpha
November
6.
114 Lima
Gamma Jet
Tango.
875.
Continue taxi. Oh, are you totally broken now?
Continue taxi.
Okay.
November 11 for Lima Tango.
Yes.
Raleigh Tower, Brickyard 5684 on final 5 right.
Gamma Air 875. Hold short of taxiway Alpha 6. Mountain 8508. Runway 5 right. Clear for takeoff.
Hold short of taxiway Alpha 6. Gamma
American
Jet 875.
1909, pushback approved. Facing west.
Runway 5 right. Cleared for takeoff. Mountain 8508.
Finally we get
Pushback
rid of that
approved
big
facing west. American 19090.
thing. And why are you stopping? Why did you stop?
Raleigh ground. November 11 for Lima Tango ready to taxi.
Ready to taxi, mate. I said. I told you 10 times already.
Raleigh ground. Southwest 1846 with information kilo. Request
Alright.
push and start.
Alright. Alright, November. Wait a second. I'm gonna get you to 1-4 then. Now you made me. You forced my hand. Brickyard 5684. Runway 5 right. Clear to land.
Runway 5 right, clear to land. Brickyard 5684.
Yeah, I stopped it while Bot was pushing back, and then the AI is like, yes, everything is going not well. Yeah, the AI is, it's not AI. It's a package of scripts. And if one script is active, you can't do a thing with another script. It is what it is. Right, now you are mine. November 114 Lima Tango. Taxi to runway 14 via Charlie.
Raleigh ground. American 1909 ready to taxi.
November 114 Lima Tango. Expect runway 14. Now he's totally shutting down.
Raleigh Tower, American 2685 on final 5 right.
November 114 Lima Tango, runway 14.
Runway 14, November 11 for Lima Tango.
Thank you, Virago. Ah, there is a Charlie 1 here. That was not showing. Yes. Okay, that Charlie 1 is helpful. Yes, then we can send them via Zulu. If they come from here, Zulu, Charlie 1, 14. Ah. Nah, that is, this is a good training session. Southwest 1846. Pushback approved, facing west. America 1909, runway 5 left at Bravo 1.
Roger. Pushback approved facing west. Southwest 1846.
Runway 5 left at Bravo 1, American 1909er.
Gamma Jet 875, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. Gamma Jet 875.
Thank you. November 114 Lima Tango, runway 14, line up and wait.
Raleigh ground, November 11 for Lima Tango. Request crossing runway 23 left. November 11 for Lima Tango.
November 114 Lima Tango. Cross runway 3 left, 23 left.
Command requirement missing. November 11 for Lima Tango.
Yeah. Your script does not understand. We already know, sir. November 114 Lima Tango. Cross runway 23 left.
Cross runway 23 left. November 11 for Lima Tango.
And please do not watch to your right, because there's absolutely no Brickyard 5684 incoming. It's all good. Just do not watch there. There it is. Totally fine. 100% within safety regulations. There's the Brickyard. November 114, Lima Tango, runway 14, line up and wait.
Runway 14, line up and wait. November 11 for Lima Tango.
Virago.
Raleigh ground, Southwest 1846 ready to taxi.
I instructed you, do not watch to your right. I see. You could not resist it. America 1909, runway 5 left, line up and wait.
Runway
Southwest
5 left,
1846.
line up and wait.
Taxi to runway 5 right at Alpha 1.
Taxi to runway 5 right at Alpha 1. Southwest 1846.
Brickyard 5684. Taxi to terminal via Alpha, Delta, Foxtrot, Tango 1.
Taxi to terminal via Alpha, Delta, Foxtrot, Tango 1, Brickyard 5684.
November 11. You forgot to yeah, that mounted 8508. He's been trolling me all evening. Yeah. We did not send him to departure. That was his punishment. Okay, minus 50 points. Go out of my space, please. November 114 Lima Tango, runway 14, clear for takeoff.
Runway 14, clear for takeoff. November 11 for Lima Tango.
Yes. I was too busy with November trying to get him on his route. American 2685, runway 5 right, clear to land. Fine.
Runway 5 right, clear to land. American 2685.
Yes, good. Gaia is already done what he needs to do. Brickyard is on its way. The November is getting airborne. Let's check on him. He is airborne. Alright. Then American can definitely go. American 1909, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 5 left, cleared for takeoff. American 1909er.
Brickyard is doing his thing over here. No problem over there either. November is climbing like wowzers. What is that airplane? That can climb a B190/L, so it's a big one. An L. November 114 Lima Tango, contact departure on 132.35. Go.
Departure on 132.35. November 11
But
for Lima
you're
Tango.
enjoying it, Erica.
Okay.
I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, Virago is a good one. Yes. And November 114 stopping at the runway. Cleared for takeoff before it... Yes, you can add it to the... Yes. I gotta get it into my system, Virago. Thank you. You are correct though. American.
Raleigh ground. JetBlue 2184 with information Kilo. Requesting
American
push and start.
2685, taxi to terminal via Delta Foxtrot Tango 8. That's not what I said, sir. American 2685, taxi to terminal via Delta Tango 8. That's better. Okay, you
Taxi
understand
to
that one?
terminal
Good.
via Delta Tango 8. American 2685.
American 2685. American 1909er. Contact departure on 132.35.
Departure on 132.35. American 1909er. Good day.
Good day,
Raleigh
thank you.
Tower, Southwest 5937 on final 5 right.
Brickyard 5684, runway 5 left. Line up and wait. No. Oh, you're on arrival. Okay, I'm totally... Now I'm messing up. Southwest 1846, runway 5 right, line up and wait. It's nice to be...
Runway 5 right, line up and wait.
Isn't it?
Southwest 1846.
Yes. Yes, we are go. Yes, it is. JetBlue 2184, pushback approved, facing west.
Pushback approved facing west. JetBlue 2184.
So that means you also play Tower 3D. The older Tower 3D Virago. This is not a boring game, I have to say. Now that is very nice. Yeah, of course it depends on the airport. But there is a good amount of traffic, thank goodness. And yeah, that quite helps. Juliana Airport. Or Princess Juliana. Yeah, that was a bit slow, of course. Southwest 1846, runway 5 right, clear for takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 2000, contact departure. There you go. It's totally lost what I was saying. Southwest 1846, runway 5 right, clear for takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 2000, contact departure. It's a bit more tricky.
Runway 5 right, cleared for
It does
takeoff.
work
On
indeed.
reaching altitude 2000,
And then I
contact
can
departure.
absolutely...
Southwest 1846.
That's way better. I can stop... I can remove his strip totally.
Raleigh Tower, Brickyard 4645 on final 5 right.
What is the Southwest? Are you cleared? No.
Raleigh ground. JetBlue 2184 ready to taxi.
Southwest 5937, runway 5 right. Disregard, sir. There's still a departure going on. JetBlue 2184, taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1.
Taxi to runway 5 left via Bravo 1. JetBlue 2184.
Southwest 5937, runway 5 right, clear to land. But thank you,
Runway
Virago.
5
That's
right,
absolutely.
clear to land. Southwest 59 and
You did
37.
JFK on T. Oh, interesting. I loved KLAX. JFK, that is a big. The taxiway around everything, that was so cool. If my memory serves me right. You did a lot of JFK, yeah, I can imagine as well.
Raleigh ground, Delta 2565 with information Kilo, requesting push and start.
Okay, your voice set is not so bad. Delta 2565. Delta 2565, pushback approved, facing west. Top.
Pushback approved facing west. Delta 2565.
37 is yes, it has been cleared. Then we have a brickyard. Right, 5 right is arrival only for now. JetBlue 2184, runway 5 left, line up await. And Virago says JFK was one-way traffic on taxiways. Made it easier. Schiphol has the same. Yeah. Clockwise and anti-clockwise, right? Yeah. Yes. That definitely helps. These are very close to each other as well. I need this key. Yes. Okay, camera is set. Delta is pushing back. Southwest, then a brickyard, then an American. Southwest, what are you flying, sir? Boeing 73, probably 7.
Raleigh ground, Delta 2565 ready to taxi.
Still a beautiful livery. Southwest. Delta 2565, taxi to runway 5 left via Tango 1, Foxtrot, Bravo 1.
Taxi to runway 5 left via Tango 1, Foxtrot, Bravo 1, Delta 2565.
I'll swim Schiphol on 50% tomorrow, see how far I get. Am I following you? No. Then I shall correct that one. Top. You are being followed. JetBlue 2184, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 2000, contact departure. No, I was...
Raleigh Tower, American 660 on final 5 right.
Southwest 59 and 37, taxi to terminal via Alpha. Brickyard 4645, runway 5 right, clear to land. I gotta articulate very well for that
Taxi
departure.
to terminal via Alpha, Southwest 59 and 37.
RPA, you are cleared.
Runway 5 right, clear to land. Brickyard 4645.
JetBlue 2184, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 2000, contact departure. That is a mouthful, eh?
Runway 5 left, cleared for takeoff. On reaching altitude 2000, contact departure. JetBlue 2184.
2184, you can totally get rid of my strips. That is absolutely... Thank you for the reminder, by the way. That is so much time saving. Back to my tower. Back to this. Delta 2565. Yes. Delta 2565. Runway 5 left. Line up and wait. Southwest is...
Runway 5 left, line up and wait. Delta 2565.
You are lining up. Brickyard, you want to go over there? No problem. There are no departures at the moment. Hey, Panky! Been watching for an hour and still not sure what's happening. Aye, Mr. Toby. It should make sense a little bit, maybe. I understand, Mr. Toby's net. Hey, Monk! Oh my god, Scotty! How could I miss you? Hi, this game looks so hard. It's okay. Sorry, Scotty, I did not see you enter. My bad. And Panky, hello and welcome. Thank you for joining in. Virago, it is saves time though. Yes, totally agree. Brickyard 4645. Taxi to terminal via Alpha Delta Foxtrot. Right.
Taxi to terminal via Alpha Delta Foxtrot. Brickyard 4645.
American 660, runway 5 right, clear to land.
Runway 5 right, clear to land. American 660.
Raleigh Tower, Endeavour 5078 on final 5 right.
Banker 1323, go around and contact departure on 132.35. And after that maybe you can go to the toilet. Delta 2565, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 2000, contact departure.
Runway 5 left, cleared for takeoff. On reaching altitude 2000, contact departure. Delta 2565.
You sound very polite. You are a very polite pilot, sir. Okay, Brickyard is going, American is incoming, and Endeavour is incoming, and the United is incoming. Glorious. Then we can go back to our arrival cam. And select the 660. There we go. I usually keep one runway for takeoff only and more for landing. Yeah, I like one land. Well, no, for this one, of course. And what's it called? KLAX. It's different, but I think for this one, one runway is sufficient for landings. Yeah, you have to be careful not to allow a little Cessna in between two big Airbuses. Yes.
Raleigh Tower, United 1072 on final 5 right.
I wonder though, I don't think they are allowed on Schiphol, are they? Virago? That should be too much for an airport like Schiphol. You cannot have Cessnas ruin the whole airport. Maybe they do, but that sounds so crazy. Alright, 660 arrived. Next is the Endeavour. Yes, runway 4. Aha, they have a separate non-important runway then, maybe. That's good. Yeah, you cannot. Yeah, perfect. You cannot not have him on 36. Endeavour 5078, runway 5 right, clear to land. Brickyard.
Runway 5 right, cleared to land. Endeavour 5078.
American 660, taxi to terminal via Alpha Delta Foxtrot Tango 8.
Taxi to terminal via Alpha Delta Foxtrot Tango 8. American 660.
Schiphol has a military runway they use for smaller aircraft and coast guards. Does it take your voice? Yes, thank goodness. But you have to articulate very well. And with my accent, Panky, it's not easy. But you can train the speech recognition to adapt to your voice a little bit. Did we clear Endeavour? Yes, we cleared Endeavour. Good. It's good to know. Yeah, it is convenient, Panky. You can talk to the airplanes, and if you say the right thing, they listen. If you misspell one word or say it in another order, they're like, yeah, they don't understand. I have to go. Thanks for streaming this, Carla. Virago, thank you for staying. The stream will
Raleigh Tower, JetBlue 285 on
last
final
for 5
right.
minutes longer anyway, so you were very welcome. Thank you very much for the tips, Virago. And yeah, maybe see you tomorrow. I don't know what time you are streaming, mostly. But yeah, Schiphol sounds interesting. If it's all the time I can come watch you stream, I will definitely be there. The Endeavour. With a Delta skin.
Raleigh ground, Delta 2382 with information kilo. Requesting push and start.
That's no problem. Delta 2382, pushback approved, facing west.
Pushback approved, facing west. Delta 2382.
Get me back in my tower, please. Thank you. Then United can be cleared, almost. Endeavour is not the fastest one in the book today. United 1072. United 1072, runway 5 right, clear to land. Endeavour 5078, taxi to terminal via Delta, Foxtrot.
Runway 5 right, cleared to land. United 1072.
Taxi to terminal via Delta, Foxtrot, Endeavour 5078.
Yes. Then we have another
Raleigh
guy.
ground, Gamma Jet 876
Gamma
with
Jet.
information kilo, ready to start.
Yes, United, you are cleared. Alright, so we can focus on this dude. United 1072, exit at taxiway Charlie. Gamma Air. Gamma Jet 876. Approved. Expect runway 14.
Expect taxiway Charlie. United 1072.
Approved, expect runway 14. Gamma Jet 876.
Very good. Delta 2382. Runway 5 left. At Bravo 1.
Runway 5 left at Bravo 1. Delta 2382. Raleigh ground, Delta 2382 ready to taxi.
I think you're already taxiing, sir.
Raleigh Tower, American 18905 on final 5 right.
Yeah, there's a JetBlue incoming. United, we can send you quickly over Charlie Foxtrot. Then we can clear the JetBlue. JetBlue 285, runway 5 right, clear to land. United 1072, taxi to terminal via Charlie Foxtrot.
Runway 5 right, cleared to land. JetBlue 285.
Taxi to terminal. Right Charlie. Foxtrot. United 1072.
Raleigh ground, Gamma Jet 876 ready to taxi.
Yes, you are ready to taxi. We are thinking about JetBlue. JetBlue 285, exit at taxiway Alpha 6.
Exit taxiway Alpha 6, JetBlue 285.
Yes. Gamma Jet 876. Taxi to runway. Gamma Jet 876. Taxi to runway 14.
Taxi to runway 14. Gamma Jet 876.
Delta is taking a nice, interesting turn there. Ah, yeah, Foxtrot over. Nou ja, that's okay. Over Bravo. Next time we shall take Foxtrot, sir. But it's gonna work out anyway. Alright. Here comes a little bit of a trick. You shall wait at the runway. You shall not cross. JetBlue shall exit at Alpha 6. Delta 2382, runway 5 left, line up await. KD, how was...
Runway 5 left, line up and wait. Delta 2382.
You know exactly what I'm gonna ask. How was Tokyo? How was RJTT? Did you see anything interesting? Was it lit up during night? Was it beautiful? Perfect lineup. Yeah, this is a perfect way to stop for a runway. This has definitely been approved. Field there. My compliments. Gamma Jet 876. Cross runway 23 left.
Cross runway 23 left. Gamma Jet 876.
Yeah, these
Raleigh
guys
Tower,
are dancing.
November
That's
244 Foxtrot,
beautiful.
leaving on final 5 right.
Yeah. I'm crossing somebody American. You have to wait a couple of seconds there. Delta 2382, runway 5 left, clear for takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 2000, contact departure.
Runway 5 left, cleared for takeoff. On reaching altitude 2000, contact departure. Delta 2382.
Perfect. Gaia. American 18905, runway 5 right, clear to land. JetBlue 285, taxi to terminal via... Let me see the route first. You want to
Runway
go
5
there.
right, clear to land. American
JetBlue
189.5.
285, taxi to terminal via Alpha, Delta, Foxtrot, Tango 8.
Taxi to terminal via Alpha, Delta, Foxtrot,
Gamma
Tango 8.
Jets
JetBlue
876.
285.
Runway 14, line up await.
Runway 14, line up and wait. Gamma Jet 876.
That looks good as well. United has arrived. JetBlue is making its way. American has been is on very final. You are making your way there. Gaia is doing his thing. Absolutely gorgeous. It was wonderful. Apart from Beyond ATCB taxi again. Hi, Katie. Machiavelli, oof buddy. Stuff for my dad is done, but got another session tomorrow with the needle. Aye. Now, good luck, Machiavelli. I hope everything will work out. Exactly, I hope nothing bad as well. Another tattoo, my god. The addiction is real, eh? That is crazy. Gamma Jet 876, runway 14, clear for takeoff.
Runway 14, cleared for takeoff. Gamma Jet 876.
I totally should have given him contact departure instructions as well. It's fine though. JetBlue is fine as well. You can go off my strips. American just arrived. Then we have 2 more arrivals for the session. A November and a Brickyard. November 244 Foxtrot Lima, runway 5 right, clear to land.
Negative. Unknown command. November 244 Foxtrot Lima.
Sorry? Unknown
Raleigh
command?
Tower. Brickyard 4503 on final 5 right.
November 244 Foxtrot Lima, runway 5 right, clear to land. Should understand that.
Runway 5 right.
It does.
Cleared to land. November 244 Foxtrot Lima.
American 1895, taxi to terminal via Alpha, Delta, Foxtrot, Tango 8.
Taxi to terminal via Alpha, Delta, Foxtrot, Tango 8, American 1895.
Good. You are clear to land. You can go off my strips. Gaia is in the air by now. Yes. Gamma Jet. Yeah, that sounds better than Gamma Jet. Gamma Jets 876. Contact departure on 132.35.
Departure on 132.35. Gamma Jet 876.
It is
Good day.
Gamma. Interesting. Right, let's go back to our arrival camera and stick with the November. Top. How is the 2 lanes going? Not too bad, Machiavelli. Yes. Yes. Mistakes were made. Nobody died. Not too bad, to be fair. Yeah, it was not so bad as KLAX. It is time for Schiphol. Yeah. Tomorrow, Virago will stream Schiphol with 50% density. So, absolutely looking forward to see somebody control that airport. Next one, Brickyard. We can go back to the tower view, F3. Yes, and give me the view on the November. Very small one, but I think it's a it's a jet engine. An H25B/L. November 244 Foxtrot Lima, taxi to ramp via Alpha 6 Juliet 3.
Taxi to ramp via Alpha 6 Juliet 3, November 244 Foxtrot Lima.
Okay, top. Brickyard 4503, runway 5 right, clear to land.
Runway 5 right, cleared to land. Brickyard 4503.
2 last arrivals, a Brickyard and one more November. When you say 50% density, does that mean 50% traffic, or you control 50% of the airport, or something else? It is 50% of the traffic, which is still gonna be insane and very interesting to see Virago give it a shot. He's quite, I bet he's already quite familiar with Schiphol. That of course helps a lot. But 50% traffic is tip to the head already. Yeah, still be. Yeah, I bet so too. Yes. Yes. Nou ja, I just put everything on the polderbaan and make one long queue. It cannot go wrong. I
Raleigh
could say,
Tower,
maybe.
November 113, November Golf on final 5 right.
Tissel. Yeah, thank you, Car. I hope to make that stream. Enjoying this tonight. Thank you very much. It is, yeah, quite a different kind of stream this, but yeah, I cannot deny. I love streaming what I like to play at that moment, and that's the same for you and more people. Thank goodness we have the freedom to stream what we like to play, instead of being bound to one game and build a community. I understand for the people who like rally games that this is not their cup of tea, but yeah, or people train simulator, it's totally different. But thank goodness we have the freedom, Tissel. But on Schiphol you have to do the approach, landing and taxi and departure, etc. Yeah, the same as here, but then, of course, yes, way bigger. Yes, ground is the main aspect of the game actually, to my opinion. You do the final... Yeah, you do the landing, you do the taxi, and you do the first part of the departure. Yes, yes. Tower and ground. Yeah, that's crazy for our control. That's why I'm looking forward to watching it tomorrow. It is. It is. It is quite... I bet it is quite crazy. Okay, Brickyard is over here. Where do you want to go there? Oh, that's okay. Brickyard 4503, taxi to terminal via Alpha Delta Foxtrot. Yes.
Taxi to terminal via Alpha Delta Foxtrot. Brickyard 4503.
That's good. And the last one, November 113, November Golf. Runway 5 right, clear to land.
Runway 5 right, cleared to land. November 113, November Golf.
Yeah, I want to see it too, yes. Yes, he will be. Oh my god, you gotta talk so fast. With instructions and everything has to work. If a pilot doesn't understand you, you have to repeat yourself. And you feel like, yeah, I have no time to repeat myself. Those are the horrible moments. When you want to talk to 20 planes and one airplane just doesn't want to listen. And you gotta say again and say again. And yeah, that's yes, I want to see it too. Right, the strips are almost clean. Last incoming flight. November 113, November Golf is een B190/L. There you go. It cannot be a Boeing 190. Beechcraft. Oh, that could be, maybe. Is there a 190 Beechcraft? Those airplanes, I love Beechcrafts. I get it's a game, but surely it should represent reality and have multiple controllers. Or is that what MP is for? Yes, that is for co-op multiplayer, Tissel. Yes. Yes, one person can do arrival and departures and the other person does ground. Yes, yes, there is a co-op... there is a possibility for co-op in this game. KDUK asks herself, is it maybe an Embraer 190 with a B? Yes, yes. Yeah, that's really functional. Let's see what it is, Katie. I can't wait anymore. It is prop. Okay, it's propeller. Let's stay in front of it. Oh. It happens on this airport as well. Embarrassing. And there are people who keep defending these developers. Saying, no, they are not popping out DLC and not fixing bugs. Here's your proof. This is absolutely crazy stuff. That should not happen. in any tower simulator game. Good, but where do you want to go? You want to go in there, that's fine. November 113 November Golf. Taxi to ramp via Alpha 7, Juliet 3.
Taxi to ramp via Alpha 7, Juliet 3. November 113 November Golf.
Can you imagine if there were airplanes going for Alpha 1 on Alpha and this happens? You would be quite annoyed. He's totally blocking Alpha with that arrival.
Raleigh-Durham, November 5.9er Bravo Romeo with information Kilo, ready to start.
You're a bit late, sir. We can handle you on, let's do a ×8, why not? November 519er Bravo Romeo. Approved, expect runway 5 right.
Approved, expect runway 5 right. November 519er Bravo Romeo.
Let's go back to 2 times speed. One speed. Should go in here. It is, and we will check the 519er.
Raleigh-Durham, November 5.9er Bravo Romeo ready for taxi.
November 519er Bravo Romeo. Taxi to runway 5 right at Alpha 1.
Taxi to runway 5 right at Alpha 1. November 519er Bravo Romeo.
Hey, look. Runway 23 right, clear to land. If it was open. Yeah. Have you ever heard of, where the hell are we by the way, Locke? Raleigh. Or a place called Raleigh. Airport code Kilo Romeo Delta Uniform. I have no clue where that is. You have been to that airport. Where the hell is it, Locke? It's in North Carolina. Oof. Alright. He's the last airplane of the day, and we're ending off with a small banger. This is an SR-22. It's in North Carolina. It's almost center North Carolina. Raleigh is the capital of that state. Aha. Now they have a nice airport, look. Absolutely good fun. And this was the only airport hiring after my adventures in St. Martin Airport. So, here we are. It's like in between Raleigh and Durham. Yeah, that's why it's Raleigh-Durham Airport. Yeah. Alright, now at least I have a better understanding where it is in the USA. Toby. I used to have a rally cycle. Well, I still have it. Yeah, then that should be based on this as well then. Maybe. It's an okay airport. Compared to Clax, it's easy to get in and out of. I would say so. Yeah, I would definitely guess so. Clax is, of course, Collects is collects. Alright. Speed him up. My cat is getting impatient. Yeah. Right. November 519er Bravo Romeo. Runway 5 right. Line up and wait.
Runway 5 right. Line up and wait. November 519er Bravo Romeo.
November 519er Bravo Romeo. Runway 5 right, clear for takeoff. Upon reaching altitude 2000, contact departure. There we
Runway 5 right, clear for takeoff. On reaching altitude 2000, contact departure. November 519er Bravo Romeo.
And 16 times. There you go, sir. He's in the air. The straps are free. Airport has been served for 2 hours and 15 minutes. Back to menu. Let's see how bad we... No, we did a minor mistake. Yeah, I think that was when we crossed 5 right with that November. There was a jet almost arriving on the runway when it was crossing. That's absolutely minor mistake. Must have been that one. Successful takeoffs 32, successful landings 20, and 5,150 SEP points in the pockets. And that is the stream, and that was very... I'm having a good time with this game, so that means it shall be streamed more in the future. If you're not so much into this game, then yeah, it is what it is. And I had a lovely... It's insane that you guys are still here and watching and coming back. Pejo, it was fun to watch again. Maybe I'll try it myself sometime. But all the translations, Dutch to English and speech to text, many possibilities for error. Yes. So I'll watch it a few more times first. Yeah, there is a good manual which says the correct terminology. Yeah, exactly. No, that's exactly your point. There is a manual, but it is... You gotta be perfect in English and learn the exact commands. Locke, thank you very much, mate. You have a great evening. Tissel, thank you very much for joining in. And we shall hopefully see each other tomorrow in Virago's stream. Katie, now you too, Katie. I shall try to look another time to... Tokyo Airport is calling, Katie. Yeah. I feel the need. But I shall resist for a bit longer. Spectre, Pejo, Locke, Tissel, Katie, Mr. Toby's dad, Machiavelli, Penky. I don't want to forget anybody today. This was absolutely gorgeous. Virago, thank you very much for the tips and all the help. Scotty, that was a pleasure seeing you. Erica was behaving very well today. My compliments. Thank you very much. 125. Because Erica can be a pain sometimes. This day you were very mature. Like it. Always welcome to join in back. And Makazi, of course. Thank you very much, guys. It was a pleasure. Yes, have a good one tomorrow at the Needleman Machiavelli. Of course, you know how I've... But, hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. And everybody does different things and have different opinions. And have a good one tomorrow. I hope you will like the result you will be getting from Mr. Needleman. We're gonna stay in the... Yeah, Steven is a good friend of the channel. We're gonna stay with Flight Simulator. It was a hard pick between Bazares, because I like that guy as well, and Steven, but Steven wins. for today. So we're gonna rate good old Steven. He is doing Microsoft Flight Simulator. Let's see where he's flying to and what he is doing at the moment. Give him a nice chat in the chat, because it is hard streaming for just you, yourself and your laptop and maybe one viewer. It's always nice to have people engaging with your stream. So have a good one, guys. Have a great evening, and we will see each other next time.